issues with your car? Jacking of the car engine after several replacements of plugs, oil filter, fuel filter, and even servicing the vehicle. Yet all efforts proves abortive as the fault still remains, making the engine not to start. Then I suggest you check these. This is a nozzle, mostly called the fuel injector. It is a device designed to control the fluid flow increased by the velocity as it exits and enters an enclosed chamber or pipe. Hello viewers, I am Ilda Shaibu and you are on to the best rated automobile and safety TV program, Auto Experts, your guide to safety. Today we've got an amazing lineup on the show, so stick around, we'll be right back. Coming up this week on the program is Auto Guide, Movie Corner on Auto Experts, Travel Guide, and Insurance Today. Right here on Auto Experts, your best rated automobile and safety TV program. Do not touch that dial.
Looking at the chaos of driving in Lagos, what is that one safety tip you would advise people who drive on Nigerian roads, especially Lagos?
Have a taser in your car, have a pepper spray in your car.
Pepper spray. Pepper spray works a lot. Everybody's crazy nowadays, so you need to protect yourself. Trust me, pepper spray works a lot.
Because sometimes you get stuck in traffic and some people tend to be very smart. So yeah, it's a safety tip, to be honest.
Hi, my name is Tony Lawani. Keep watching Auto Expert. It's your guide to safety.
Welcome to Auto Guide, where we enlighten, educate, and inform you on the components that make up your vehicle. Last week on Auto Guide, we had engineer Andrew Ogolano talk about vehicle suspension, noises in cars, and other things that contribute to car suspension. If you have been having issues with your suspension in the past and you could not identify the particular fault, listen as engineer Andrew Ogolano continues this week on car suspension matters.
Did you know that using the wrong engine oil can actually knock your car engine? Are you in the habit of buying cheaper oils or neglecting manufacturer specifications? Did you know that all models of vehicles have different oil specifications? To know more about vehicle lubrication and lubricants, watch your best rated automobile and safety TV program Auto Expert, showing on digital and terrestrial TV. To get times and stations, follow us on Facebook at Auto Expert Pro, on Instagram at Official Auto Expert, and on Twitter at Auto Expert Pro.
I hope you've had an amazing time catching up on all the episodes that we have got for you for today. I still remain Ilda Shaibu. Keep watching Auto Experts. It is your guide to safety.